Ever wondered why vast expanses of our beautiful planet are covered in seemingly barren, sandy deserts? Deserts, with their unique, stark beauty, cover nearly 1/3 of Earth's land surface. But why? Where does all that sand come from? How do these arid regions form? These are questions that have piqued the curiosity of scientists, explorers, and dreamers alike for centuries. The answers are fascinating, revealing a complex interplay of geological events, climate shifts, and time. Well, it's time to unravel the mysteries of desert formation. Deserts, contrary to popular belief, weren't always arid and dry. Picture a world in prehistoric times, teeming with lush plant life and flourishing ecosystems. But as our Earth aged, it underwent dramatic transformations. The climate began to shift, swinging between extremes of hot and cold. These swings in temperature significantly impacted the Earth's ecosystems, causing a gradual drying of certain regions. Simultaneously, the ever-moving tectonic plates of our planet caused landmasses to rise and fall, altering the course of rivers and seas. Regions that were once under the sea found themselves high and dry, while others that were lush and green were cut off from their water sources. Changes in sea levels also played a critical role. As they fluctuated over millions of years, they left behind vast areas of land that were once underwater. These lands, now exposed to the harsh sun and devoid of moisture, became arid. So the once thriving landscapes gradually turned into the deserts we know today. Wind and water, the sculptors of our planet, have played a significant role in shaping deserts. These elements, often seen as life-giving, are also master craftsmen of some of the most arid and barren landscapes on Earth. Let's dive a little deeper to understand their role in desert formation. Wind, a seemingly gentle force, is a potent agent of change in desert landscapes. It erodes mountains and rocks, grinding them down into fine particles over hundreds and thousands of years. These particles, carried aloft by the wind, are deposited in other areas, creating the vast dunes and sandy plains that are characteristic of deserts. Water, on the other hand, is a bit of a paradox when it comes to deserts. While it's true that deserts are defined by their lack of rainfall, the scarce water that does fall has a profound impact. Rainfall, though infrequent, can trigger flash floods that gouge out valleys and canyons, further shaping the rugged desert terrain. Additionally, the absence of water contributes to the aridity of these regions. The lack of moisture results in a lack of vegetation, which in turn leads to the exposed and eroded landscapes we associate with deserts. Thus, wind and water, through their relentless actions, have helped carve out the world's deserts. But not all deserts are natural. Some are man-made, a result of a process known as desertification. Desertification is the transformation of fertile land into barren, desert-like conditions. It's not an overnight phenomenon, but a prolonged process, often triggered by human activities. Picture a lush green forest, brimming with life. Now imagine if we were to strip away those trees for timber or to create farmland. Without the trees, the soil loses its anchor and the nutrients get washed away with rainfall. This is called deforestation, a major contributor to desertification. Similar to deforestation, overgrazing is another human-induced cause. When livestock chew down vegetation to the ground, the soil is exposed and vulnerable. The wind can easily whisk it away, leaving behind a barren land. In these ways, our activities can dramatically alter landscapes, turning green pastures into sandy deserts. Sadly, our actions have led to the birth of new deserts, a testament to our impact on the Earth. So, how do deserts form? It's a combination of natural processes and human activities. In the grand scheme of Earth's history, deserts are shaped by a medley of factors. Climate change plays a pivotal role, transforming lush landscapes into arid expanses over thousands of years. Tectonic shifts also contribute, their slow dance over millennia creating basins that trap heat and limit rainfall. Then there's the ceaseless work of wind and water, sculpting dunes and carving canyons, shaping the desert's unique topography. But nature isn't the sole architect of deserts. Human activities can accelerate desertification. Deforestation, for instance, strips land of its vegetative armor, making it vulnerable to erosion. Similarly, overgrazing by livestock can degrade soil and lead to a loss of plant life. Understanding these processes not only helps us appreciate the beauty of deserts, but also reminds us of our responsibility to protect our planet.